Introducing QuickStand by HumanScale. QuickStand marks a great leap forward in sit-stand technology and transforms a desk or table into a full-function sit-stand workstation. When designing QuickStand, HumanScale focused on three critical objectives: ease of use, stability, and a clean, minimal aesthetic. Studies show that alternating between seated and standing positions is an effective method for guarding against health risks associated with fixed postures. Making QuickStand effortless to use ensures more people will use it more often. The work platform is raised by simply lifting the handles on each side. Utilizing constant force technology, QuickStand adjusts smoothly and effortlessly, without locks or manual controls. An essential part of a standing platform is stability, so QuickStand is designed to be remarkably stable throughout its entire range of operation. In the seated position, QuickStand's platform sits flush on the desktop, blending in to become part of the work surface. The angle of the unit's column ensures the monitor remains at the ergonomically correct viewing distance, whether used while sitting or standing. If necessary, the monitor can be adjusted relative to the keyboard by sliding it up or down until the top line of text on screen is at eye level. For ideal ergonomics while keying or mousing, position the keyboard an inch or two below resting elbow height. Palms should be flat on the palm support, with wrists straight while keying. To enjoy healthy shoulder, arm, and back postures when seated, the use of an adjustable keyboard support is recommended. Installing QuickStand is incredibly easy. Simply clamp it to any work surface or through a grommet. To ensure a clean, minimal aesthetic, a cable harness is concealed inside its column, including a power cord, a DVI cable, and 2 USB cables. Mouse and keyboard wires are also routed through the column. The dual-monitor QuickStand comes with a second pre-installed cable harness. The result is a clean, cable-free work environment. QuickStand is a perfect embodiment of HumanScale's philosophy of high performance, ease of use, and optimal comfort. With QuickStand and Float, our height-adjustable table, HumanScale offers the most advanced sit-stand technology on the market today.